kind of like a semi-build utilizing some extra parts I had left over from my Infinitum. I had an extra PCB and an extra plate, so I thought I might as well put them to good use and make like an internal swappable board, if you will, for my keyboard. I decided to go with Alpacas because I've never tried them before, and you've probably heard how legendary they are. So yeah, that's what I decided to go with. I also got some Thicc films, but I would recommend going with something smaller. The Thicc films was, it was as described. It was thick, and I could barely fit it into the housings. So yeah, probably a smaller film like Deskies would be much better. I did have a lot of footage of the entire build. Unfortunately, some of the footage that's putting it lightly, most of the films got wrecked, basically. And yeah, that's why I'm talking to you via dog. So it was very unfortunate. But yeah, I have a couple of the footage and a typing test, which, I mean, that's the main point, right? That's what everyone wants to see. So yeah, thanks for watching and enjoy.